When you are looking for an affordable email automation suite that still delivers strong performance, ActiveCampaign and Moosend are two well-known options. Both platforms help you send campaigns, nurture leads, and automate customer journeys, but they offer different levels of power and pricing. ActiveCampaign is known for its advanced automation engine. It is built for businesses that want detailed control over customer paths and personalized messaging. When you create an automation in ActiveCampaign, you can set conditions, triggers, and goals with a lot of flexibility. This lets you build sequences that respond to customer behavior in real time. For example, you can target people who clicked a specific link, visited a certain page, or even showed a pattern of buying behavior. The interface in ActiveCampaign is clean, and the automation builder is visual, which makes complex workflows easier to understand. It also offers strong segmentation, allowing you to group contacts based on actions, preferences, or tags. The email editor is solid, and you get predictive sending tools that help you reach customers at the best time. ActiveCampaign also includes a lightweight CRM, which is helpful for managing sales pipelines. Moosend takes a different approach. It focuses on delivering essential automation features at a very budget-friendly cost. It is one of the most affordable tools in the email marketing space, especially for growing lists. Despite the lower price, Moosend includes powerful features like visual automation workflows, behavioral tracking, and personalization. The interface is simple and easy to navigate, which makes it great for small businesses or teams that want to set up campaigns quickly. The automation builder gives you pre-built templates for welcome sequences, abandoned cart reminders, and follow-up emails, so you do not need to start from scratch. Moosend also includes a clean drag-and-drop email editor. It is beginner-friendly and helps you create professional emails without design experience. Its reporting dashboard is clear and focuses on important metrics like open rates, clicks, and conversions. Choosing between the two comes down to budget and complexity. If you want a powerful automation suite that can grow with your business and support detailed customer journeys, ActiveCampaign is the more capable platform. If you want an affordable tool that handles core automation and delivers solid performance without stretching your budget, Moosend is one of the best choices available. Both tools help you reach your audience and automate your marketing, but they fit different stages of business growth. ActiveCampaign offers depth. Moosend offers value. The right pick depends on the balance your business needs.